Before any leather repair or touch-up procedure, it is important to clean the surface with the Trade Secret Soft Cleaner for Leather. Scuffs occur when the leather rubs against a stationary object, like door or vehicle frames, or other furniture. The first step is only necessary when the leather fibers have lifted, like mini hangnails. Using a small edge tool, lift the fibers on the surface by drawing the tool against the grain of the damaged area. Apply a few drops of Trade Secret leather glue to a smooth-edged tool like a spatula. Pull the tool against the grain of the damage, ensuring that the glue is amply applied to the underside of the damage. Then, push the damage back down with the tool, smoothing out any air bubbles and repair imperfections. Rub off any excess glue by rubbing in the direction of the damaged grain so as not to lift the repaired sections. Extra time spent matting down the surface will result in a better repair and less color restoration in the following step. Using the Trade Secret base colors, or touch-up markers for leather, reapply the color to the damaged area. Start in the center of the repaired area, feathering outwards to camouflage the residual damage and to better blend the repair. Depending on the severity of the damage, several applications may be required. Allow to dry. A hairdryer may be used to accelerate the drying process. As with all leather repair or touch-ups, treat the surface with Trade Secret Leather Protection Cream once the repair has been completed. Encourage your clients to clean and protect their fine leather furniture with the Trade Secret Leather Care System.